So this is the Samsung M55 5G, and this time Samsung has included many flagship level features in the M series to provide real value for money. So without wasting any time, let's review the Samsung M55 5G. First of all, let's talk about the unboxing experience. There are user manuals, a SIM injector pin, and this is our phone, which is wrapped. Let's open it. And lastly, this is the Type-C to Type-C charging cable. That's it. The design of the phone follows Samsung's typical language. The back of the phone is a little bit curved, which provides a better in-hand feeling. The thickness of the phone is 7.8 millimeters. On the side, there are volume rockers and a power button, and on the left side, there is a hybrid SIM slot. It has an in-display fingerprint sensor, which works quite well. This time, the Samsung M55 comes with dual speakers, which provide decent audio. It has a matte finish on the back, which means you are not getting any kind of smudges. Also, when light hits the phone, you get a rainbow effect, which means Samsung put effort into the design. If we talk about the build, the phone is completely made of polycarbonate. This time, Samsung also tried to minimize the bezels, which is good. The weight of the phone is just 179 grams, and it comes in two colors, light green and denim black. It comes with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. All the content I've seen here is just flagship level because, as you know, Samsung colors are always next level. Also, you're not getting any problems from the viewing angle, and it also supports 1000 nits peak brightness. We can watch full HD content on Netflix and 4K HDR videos at 60 FPS on YouTube without any problems. Additionally, the touch is responsive, and the 120Hz refresh rate also feels smooth. For performance, it comes with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor with UFS 3.1 storage and LPDDR4X RAM. The processor is based on 4nm technology, so day-to-day tasking and multitasking are going to be good on this device. Even the animations feel smooth. Here, you can see the CPU throttling test. There are no issues with heating. Now, if we talk about gaming, you can play PUBG smoothly at extreme graphics and HDR at ultra. The gameplay experience is smooth with no jitter. Although it is not a gaming phone, you can use this phone for casual gaming. And further, it comes with One UI 6.1, which is based on Android 14, and Samsung claims 4 years of Android updates and 6 years of security updates. Additionally, you're getting Knox security here, which protects this phone even at the hardware level. Further, you are getting Samsung Wallet and Secure Folder, among many other features in One UI 6.1. After that, we also have 13 5G bands, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, and NFC. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery and supports 45-watt fast charging, which takes around 24 minutes to charge the battery to 50%. Now let's talk about the camera. It comes with a 50-megapixel main lens with OIS, which is quite good, along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 2-megapixel macro lens. You can record 4K videos at 30 FPS, and you're also getting adaptive ADIs, which enhances video stability. There are many other features that you can see. If we talk about photos, the dynamic range is good, and color contrast is also balanced. On the front, it comes with a 50-megapixel lens, and you can also record 4K videos at 30 FPS, which is quite good. It comes in 3 different variants: 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. So, this was the review of the Samsung M55. Thanks for watching.